I'm Louise.
And I'm David, and we're the founders of Green Kitchen Stories.
10 years ago, we started a blog called Green Kitchen Stories because we wanted to not only share the recipes but also tell the stories behind them.
We always try to create food that is vegetable focused, fresh and colorful.
And that tastes so good that it inspires to eat more plant-based food every day.
Apart from the blog, we've released an award-winning app, cute vegetable tattoos, and 5 cookbooks. I've been a vegetarian for more than 20 years, and it's always been the most natural thing to me.
I'm really interested in how food affects our body and mind.
I'm Swedish.
I'm Danish, and we have 3 kids, and we live in Stockholm. I've been a fan of Puori for years, and I'm beyond excited that we now work together on this line of high quality and clean supplements, specially developed for vegans and vegetarians.
We're stoked about these products, and we hope that you're gonna love them.